how to make offers to customers that they can't refuse in SaaS business. Hi guys, this is Sampath from Intandemly. Imagine there is a customer you don't want to lose. In such a case, there are basically four kinds of incentives that you can offer in SaaS business. Number one, discount. If you buy this week, you'll get a 10% discount. Or you're going to save X dollars every year per seat if you buy now. Number two, special features or higher tier plans. If you buy in December, you're going to get the business version of a product for a basic price plan. It's basically also a discount. The difference is that you increase the value rather than lowering the price. Number three, buy one, get two. If you buy in December, you'll get a free seat for every seat that you purchase. So if you buy three seats, you'll actually get six seats. Buy one, get one free works really well in SaaS businesses. Number four, special services. If you buy this week, you're going to get an advanced customer acquisition training package for free. Think about special support programs or packages which include consulting, training, onboarding, etc. Whatever it is. Any kind of special services to help them succeed with your SaaS product is actually really going to work. Let me know if these four kind of make sense, and if there's something new that has worked in your favor, also leave in the comments.